How do I link my bank account to my PayPal account?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through the process of linking your bank account to your PayPal account. This is an essential step in being able to send, receive and withdraw money using PayPal. So, let's dive right in.
Is your bank account compatible?
Before starting the process, make sure that your bank account is compatible with PayPal. PayPal supports a variety of banks across many countries. Most major banks in the United States, Europe, and other regions are compatible.
Preparing your bank details.
The first step is to gather your bank details. You will need your bank name, bank account number, and routing number. If you're not sure where to find these details, check your online banking portal or contact your bank's customer service.
Accessing PayPal's bank linking page.
Once you have your bank details, you can proceed to link your bank account. Log into your PayPal account and look for the Wallet option in the top menu. Click on it. Here you will find the option to link a bank account or a card. Click on Link a Bank.
Entering your bank details.
On the next page, select your bank from the list of popular banks, or search for it if it's not listed. After selecting your bank, you will be prompted to enter your online banking login information. This process varies depending on your bank. Some banks may require you to log into your online banking to approve the connection. If you are unable to link your bank account this way, you can click on the option, Link Your Bank Another Way, at the bottom of the page. In this case, you'll need to provide your bank account number and routing number. After entering your details, click on Link Your Bank.
Confirming the bank account link.
PayPal will then send 2 small deposit amounts to your bank account. This can take up to 2 business days. Once these deposits arrive, you'll need to confirm their exact amounts in your PayPal account. This process helps PayPal to verify that the account is really yours. To do this, go back to the Wallet page, click on your bank account, and then click on Confirm. You'll be asked to enter the 2 deposit amounts. Congratulations! You've now linked your bank account to your PayPal account. This will allow you to easily transfer funds back and forth between the two. Thanks for joining us in this step-by-step tutorial. We hope it's been helpful. As always, if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal's customer support. Happy transactions!